is one that's very commonly misdrawn by beginners, whether it's in calligraphy or lettering, because it's misweighted. The weight is always right here on the spine. So we're gonna start at the top here. This is gonna be one fluid stroke, and you're gonna go light, heavy, whoop, light, heavy, into light. And the lowercase, this is my go-to way to draw it. Light for your upstroke, heavy, around to light. One thing to think about if you're drawing the S on your own, can you kind of see how this is a letter 8? So sometimes if I'm drawing from scratch and not tracing, I'll physically draw that letter 8, and then I'll add a new layer above it and use that as my basis. So I'll go light, heavy, light, following that, and that helps you draw a really nicely shaped S. So that's just a little tidbit you can use. Delete that out. For our, get back to pink here. For our slanted S, we're gonna go slightly more traditional. And I know this one's funky. Can you see how, this line isn't quite on the slant? That is the hack I will teach you at the end of class for certain letters that don't quite line up. Like the slant is still the same throughout the letter, but that line doesn't quite line up. And sometimes that will confuse your brain, and there's a trick I use myself for that I'll show you later in the class. So for this, we're also gonna do one fluid motion. So we're gonna go up with light pressure, down with heavy, and then around with light. This one is similar, but instead of the curve here, we've got a pointed. So up with light, down with heavy, up with light, and then just pull that over. So just a slightly different look. This is another one where you could change it and do light, heavy, light, and then go heavier into that downstroke. Just, you can see that's thick, that's thin.